Welcome to 1755 Pine Grove Avenue, an incredibly spacious 4+1 bedroom home with 4 washrooms situated within the highly desirable Highbush community of West Pickering. At over a quarter of an acre in size, this premium 154 by 139 foot property is nestled on a cul-de-sac, has exceptional frontage, and showcases a spectacular fully fenced backyard oasis, both surrounded by trees, shrubs, and other perennial plantings for wonderful year-round curb appeal, and also features a driveway with parking for up to 6 vehicles, in addition to a 3-car garage that has both a double and a single garage door. There are also interlocking walkways to the backyard gate and to the covered front entrance, and through the entry door is a spacious ceramic tiled foyer featuring chair rail and crown moldings, with the tiled floor flowing throughout the hallways and into the kitchen. Through a set of French doors are the formal entertaining spaces of the living and dining rooms. A huge west-facing bow window allows for abundant natural lighting, while light through a large north-facing window and a contemporary light fixture brighten the adjacent dining area. As an elegant touch and for entertaining convenience, the dining room has a French door entry into the kitchen, and both the living and dining areas are finished with oak hardwood flooring laid on the diagonal, as is the warm and inviting family room. Enjoying an east-facing exposure and backyard views through its oversized window, the family room showcases the coziness of a wood-burning brick fireplace, and a large wall cutout gives this great gathering space an openness to the kitchen area. A brightly lit and exceptional workspace, the kitchen's breakfast area has the added illumination of an elegant light fixture and also features the convenience of a chef's desk as well as a wall pantry complementing the abundant storage offered by the light-colored cabinetry. Finished with a subway tiled backsplash and having lots of counter workspace, the kitchen is complete with a built-in dishwasher as well as a stainless steel double sink, oven with smooth surface cooktop, and a fridge with bottom mount freezer. The sliding door walkout from the breakfast area opens onto a tiered deck with built-in bench seating and lots of entertaining space, while the lower tier steps down to a huge interlocking patio area that surrounds an in-ground pool with concrete decking. The backyard is beautifully landscaped with armor stones, trees, shrubs, and garden beds, and also showcases a wood gazebo, a cabana with direct access to the garage, and a storage shed. The main level additionally features a double coat closet in the foyer, and down a short side hall is access to the garage, a laundry room with washer, dryer, and storage cabinets, as well as a powder room with a pedestal sink. Dark stained hardwood staircases with painted white spindles curve gracefully to the upper and lower levels, and the chair rail along the upper staircase is also continued along the upper hallway walls, with this level showcasing updated hardwood flooring throughout, 4 very spacious bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and a linen closet. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms all feature double closets and oversized windows with either west or east-facing exposures, with the third bedroom also featuring track lighting, while the second bedroom has chair rail as a finishing detail. And these bedrooms share use of a 5-piece washroom featuring a wall-to-wall vanity with double basins, as well as a ceramic tiled floor and bath area. The master suite is quite generously sized, and overlooking the front yard gardens is a huge west-facing window with ample space around it for a sitting or reading area. Also featuring a vintage-style light fixture and a very spacious walk-in closet, this wonderful personal retreat showcases a 4-piece ensuite washroom with tiled finishes throughout, a step-up bath area, a shower area with glass door, as well as a vanity with lots of storage. Fully finished, the lower level brings additional living space to the home. It is also ideal as an in-law suite. Off the tiled landing is a cold room, a bedroom with laminate flooring, 2 mirrored door closets, and track and pot lighting, as well as an updated 3-piece washroom with tiled finishes, a glass shower with rainfall shower head, pot lighting, and a vanity with countertop basin. There is also a second laundry area with washer and dryer combined with a furnace and storage room, a storage closet outside this room, plus more storage under the staircase. And to complete this level is a spacious recreation area with laminate flooring and the warmth of a gas stove with a stone hearth and back wall, which is open to a kitchen finished with a tiled floor and featuring a fridge, stove, stainless steel double sink, and lots of cabinetry storage, with both spaces, as well as the landing, all brightened with pot lighting. A short walk to the Woodview tot lot, close to the nature trails and scenic vistas of nearby Rouge National Urban Park, and within the catchment area of West Creek Public School, as well as Frenchman's Bay Public, St. Monica Catholic Elementary, Dunbarton High, and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools, which offer French immersion programs. This home is just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.